पयलीं हांव बेश्टो 10 मिनट चोयन वयतो म्हूण आहलो बट हांव त्या पडलाक दसोन आहलो. इट्स व्हेरी गूड एप्रिशिएटीव मुवी आनी सगळ्या लोकांनी गोंयच्या हे कोंकणी मुवी एप्रिशिएट करूंक जाय.
Good camera work, good direction also, acting वूय बरें. Very nice. I request all सगळे आमच्या गोंयकारांनी पिक्चर पळोवचें, support Konkani films.
As a theatrist, I can say everyone must come and watch this movie.
क्लायमॅक्स लास्ट आनी आंगातले लोंव उब जाता इतलें म्हणजे बरें टचिंग मुवी.
पिक्चर सारकें मनापासून भितर मनापासून आवडलें. गुड सस्पेन्स, गुड कॉमेडी and some seriousness. Made a good mixture and best Konkani movie. I believe all the Goans should see it.
The Goans should, it's a must to watch because we enjoyed. There was not a single moment that we have not, like we felt bored, or it was excellent from the start. The comedy was too good. It made us laugh from the stomach. There was a suspense and it's like a full compact and I really enjoyed it.
First half is totally hilarious and the second half is totally different. It has a different twist. So it's a good entertainment.
And even though the dialect was different, we could still stay connected, you know. It was really nice.
Number one, top notch.
And especially a lot of religious matter was there which will improve our faith.
You know, tell everyone to come and watch it. It's an excellent movie and I'm surely coming again.
I never expected that ending. अशें जातलें म्हणून सांगून गेलें.
Every scene was unexpected. The flow of the movie was great.
Really, really, really good. We were not expecting such a movie right now.